Welcome back to the shop where we are currently building a Factory 5 Racing XTF, right?
Correct, yep.
Extreme Truck Ford, right? I knew it, I got it right.
There you go.
All right, so the whole Factory 5 team is here with me, and Owen is right now. We're gonna talk about the benefits of this truck, because one of the things is, it's still, at its heart, a lot of parts are just F-150 parts, right?
Right, yep.
So we got the shocks underneath there, but there's still just a bunch of stock stuff, right?
Right. Like, the whole powertrain is stock, you know, brakes, you can use the stock, or we can upgrade them like we're doing here.
That's right. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to upgrade brakes all the way around. We have Powerstop Z36 truck and tow package. So the beauty of the Z36 is we have the heavy-duty rotors that are drilled and slotted to help with the off-gassing of the pads as well as cleaning the pads. The pads are specifically designed for heavy-duty applications like a full-size truck, if you're actually towing, or in the case of this, it's a high-performance vehicle.
Right.
So we want that extra ability to stop. And the compound of the pads is designed to bed in better on the rotors. And it's just one of the nice things, right? So we basically have stock brakes on that truck, but we're gonna be able to upgrade them with just bolt-on pieces to make this truck even better. Owen has the old pads and rotors off the truck and can now start swapping in the new rubber boots that Powerstop also includes in the kit for your sliders. Then he'll install the new pads in the bracket and slide on the new rotor, and the brake upgrade is done.